So I might as well get the sign. I'm here with Andrew Oleary's from Oleary Mini Display. So this is the display he brought out here to Janesville. Great looking little cattle lot. I don't know, just pretty neat. I believe he said that these wagons have some Farm Factor 3D running gear under them, but don't quote me on that. So check it out. It's just the little details here that really make a display. Some great looking John Deere power there. Notice the weeds under the bales there. I mean, that's just a little. And then you've got the bare ground where the bales have been picked up. Nice little baling outfit here. Great looking tractor. That baler's really nice too. Some end rows or some hay rows here. Got a little waterway with little rocks in it. You know, it's great. Everybody wants to have these giant bins on their display, but a lot of farms just have these little bins. Look at the signage here. We got a John Deere and a DeKalb sign, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if I can get a view back in the shed here. Yeah, there we go. Just kind of some great buildings with some just kind of light weathering. They're not new, not super rusted over. Yeah, check out the dusk to dawn light. It's just all those little things.